My name is Milan, so let's get going. This is going to be quite a fun one. We're going to do a speed test in the Atto 3 specifically. You can also, of course, just do it on many other BYD models. The steps will be the same. Let's get going. So there we go. This is the first place, of course, we start. We're going to start the engine by pressing the start button in the middle. That's a pretty straightforward, I hope. Okay, so pressing the button, waiting for it to light up a little bit. And then the next step we want to do, we want to toggle from sport, eco, and normal mode. We will need to do that. You can look at the console at this stage as well. And you can see it's currently in sport, eco, normal, just toggling that button into sport mode. That's important that we're in the sport mode for this. Then on your steering wheel, typically, you will see on the right-hand side, it's supposed to be button. And you're going to hold that button in and hold it in and hold it in and hold it in until you need to see those clear red lines for racing, for doing the 0 to 100 speed test. Okay, now it's just a question of speeding up. I'm not going to do live demo today. You need to give me some feedback on what you got. On this one, on this baby, the Atto 3, I easily, on the second run, got 7.1 seconds. So beating the promise of 7.2 seconds. I hope you enjoyed this. Please hit the like and subscribe button and give me a lot of comments. And if your promises were delivered in your speed test, enjoy, have fun, and be safe.